What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my next drawing. This time I'm drawing a mob from Mob Psycho, and I wanted to start a new process of these videos. Next videos is coming up, and so right now I'm starting off with the head, and I'm outlining it to make sure to see where I place the eyes and the mouth, and I'm trying to pretty much make a skeletal structure for me to figure out where to place everything. I'm actually working from reference also. Now for the next part, I'm gonna start to get into drawing the body, which is kind of like usually I do like kind of like the bean shapes, and whenever I make the bean shape out, it's kind of like you're making, I guess, like a clay almost, like you're kind of like molding the clay up. So I always make sure I get the hand straight, figure out where the hand is gonna go. And right now I'm trying to detail it, get it figured out. I want it to look all funny looking. Now I'm gonna try to move into the clothing, get the clothing straight. As you see, I'm pretty much drawing the clothes around the little bean to kind of show, you can just have like a light sketch and then just go over it. Now I'm actually changing up the picture a little bit. I'm in different shadows. I'm trying to make it, I don't know if you've seen the show, but I guess right now I'm trying to make it where he's at 100% of his emotional power. So I'm changing the face as far as from the picture I'm working off of. I wanted to add a little bit more shadows to the top of his head and also to his hair to match closer to the show. And I've been trying to figure out different backgrounds I was going to do with it, and I actually had a lot of different background choices as far as whether I was going to have buildings or a rocky area, but I decided to go with what I just chose at the end of this. And right now I'm outlining it because when I put the background, I want to make sure that the character is separate from the background. I don't want him to blend in the background too much. I'm going over a little bit of passes. Now I'm going to use a ruler to box out the shape. And for these next videos, I like to use a lot of cross hatching. This cross hatching is kind of like one of my favorite things to do. So I'm going to probably do a lot of those in a lot of my future videos. A lot of pencil drawings. I figured pencil drawings are a little bit faster to do compared to the Copics and the markers. Adding more cross hatching. I'm going to use the ruler to add the lines for the square. You're going to constantly see me going over it, like over and over again, to different passes to darken out some of the shadows. I'm going to make sure that the darks are where the darks are, and the lights are where the lights are. I'm going to go over it and add small fine details, and alright, and that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. But enjoy the rest of the video.